Don't know if you heard that, but Kevin has found some wolf tracks in the snow, which when you consider that the hostel that we stayed at is just sort of that way, 300 or 400 yards, and we heard the wolves last night at, well, very early this morning at 4:45. Pretty amazing. So I'll come over here and we'll follow along and take a look at the wolf tracks. It would make sense that we have wolves around here. We've seen lots of deer, lots of signs of deer, lots of actual deer themselves.
We're just checking out some wolf tracks here.
So here on the ground, you can see, just be able to get Kevin to put his hand in there.
Yeah, nice.
So you get an idea of the hand size and.
A little bit of hair in that one.
Yeah. There's some hair in that wolf track there. So really good evidence of an effective predator-prey relationship in the area.
Yeah, a night walk, knock knock, come.
Oh, little pig, let me come in. So having seen the wolf tracks, these guys are off to go find more of their geocaches. To give you an idea of where we are. There's there's Coliseum Mountain. There's Shunda Mountain with the Baldy Fire Lookout on it. And really, we're in this amazing valley, just outside of Nordegg. So they're converging in on another cache. They got about 130 meters to go. So we'll let them walk and then we'll go find the cache that they get to.